Morning everybody, welcome back to Leeton. We've had some hellish winds here overnight. It's been about 50 mile an hour gusts and about 35 mile an hour steady wind. So but everything still seems to be in the garden. I've been up early this morning to get all my work done for the day, my paperwork, etc. that I had to get done today, so that I can spend some time outside continuing to develop the plot. And what I want to do is put in, because the plot's on a bit of a slope, what I want to do is put in some wooden beams I've got as a retainer, so that I can then level an area for the polytunnel later in the year. And like I've said in the previous video, we've got in a few weeks we've got a digger coming that I'm going to hire just to level that part out. But by putting the beam in, a level beam, that's going to give me something to work to then with the machine, so that I can get that area nice and level and flat to put the polytunnel on. So that's the plan today. I probably won't do a lot of talking out there, purely because it's so windy that it probably interfere. I'll do a little bit here and there where I have to, but maybe play some nice music over the video while I'm working. But another little bit of news is let me just grab the camera, our first seedlings appearing of 2023, and they are just out of a packet of mixed salad leaves. So happy days. Right, let's get outside. I'll see you in a bit. Okay everybody, hopefully you can hear me over the wind, but so that row of planks is level, so I now know the level that I need to work to when I get the machine in a couple of weeks, because all of this area here has to be sort of scraped back to drop the level so that I can get my slabs laid and what have you. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to get enough soil off of all of this area to level this up. It might not come to the top of the wood, it might only come halfway up, but at least I've now got a straight edge and a level that I can work to. So, and the other thing is at this end, here and here, I'm going to dig these out a bit because I want to put IBC containers there to collect the water off the polytunnel, but they're going to be dip tanks so that I can get the tanks lower to lower the guttering on the polytunnel to collect the maximum amount of water off the roof, off the surface area of the roof. So hopefully that will work. Remains to be seen, but hopefully it will work. So thanks very much for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please hit the subscribe button, click the like button and the bell icon as well, so that you don't miss any future videos that I put out. So thanks very much guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.